Forget about Gemini and ChatGPT for a second. This free app lets you generate genuinely high-quality images right from your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android. It runs completely offline and keeps everything private. It can generate just about any kind of image you can dream up. And it's not just about images. You can hold a full conversation with it entirely offline as well. It doesn't matter what you throw at it. It responds with precise, accurate answers, no hesitation, no dodging. That's something most other AI tools simply won't do, especially when it comes to certain questions. If you don't believe me, take a look at this. I asked several major AI platforms the exact same question, and every one of them refused to answer. This free offline AI was actually gave me a straight answer. So, whatever you throw at it, it's not going to leave you hanging. And it doesn't stop at conversation. It also comes with vision models built right in. Upload any document, file, or photo, ask whatever you need to know, and it'll read through the content and give you an answer based on what's actually inside it. Here's the part that really gets me. All of these models are running directly on your phone. No cloud, no internet, no third-party servers, nothing. That said, if you'd still prefer cloud-based models, this app gives you that option too. You can run models from companies like DeepSeek, NVIDIA, Gemini, or OpenRouter by just plugging your own API keys, so the choice is yours. Online models whenever you want them. My personal recommendation, though, is to stay offline. That's really what this app was designed for, running everything locally on your device. That way, your conversations and your data stay fully private and secure, something a lot of other AI apps simply can't promise. So, a huge shout out to Oral Nor and Tech Jarvis for building this and making it completely free to use. Before you go install it, let me walk you through how to set up the models and start generating high-quality images. Open up the model section and you'll find a solid range of options, things like Llama, Qwen, and Google Gemma, all ready to use. You'll find every image model tucked inside the image section, but the standout, in my opinion, is the cyber-realistic model. That's the one I rely on personally. And if models are more your speed, head over to the section. You'll find a full lineup waiting there. There are vision models in there too, built specifically to read and understand your documents. Inside settings, you can switch between dark mode and light mode, whichever suits you, and adjust the font size until it feels just right. You can set the inference mode to offline or online, whichever fits how you want to run things. You're also able to customize the system prompt to match exactly what you're going for. Got a GPU on your phone? Select it for faster performance. No GPU? Run things on the CPU instead, or just leave it on auto and let the app pick the best option for you. You can fine-tune the model's temperature to control creativity, set token limits, and adjust the context window however you see fit. One setting worth paying attention to is the image generation steps. Push it higher, and you'll get better quality images, but it'll take a bit longer to generate, so balance that based on what works for you. You can also adjust image size depending on what you need. Just keep your phone specs in mind while you're setting that up. Alright, let's actually set up the model now. When you go to download a model, you'll notice two buttons, Get and Download. Get pulls the model directly into the app, while Download saves it straight to your phone's download folder, and that's actually the more reliable route, so go with that one. Once the model finishes downloading, tap Import at the top. That'll take you right to your download folder. Pick the model you just downloaded, and it'll import on its own. From there, just tap Load to bring it online, and once it's loaded, you're good to go. Head into the chat section, ask anything you'd like, and you'll get a precise, accurate response. To generate an image, you'll need to download an image model first. Once that's done, tap Import at the top and bring in the model you just downloaded. After importing, you'll spot a load button next to it. Tap that, and the loading process kicks off. Once it's fully loaded, you'll see a confirmation message, and at that point, your model is ready to generate whatever image you have in mind. Now jump back into the chat section and make sure to dial in the image steps based on what you need. This part really matters. Then, just type out the prompt for the image you're after, and it'll start putting it together right away. Your image will be ready in no time, built exactly to match your prompt. To grab the app, head over to the Oral Nor repository. I'll drop the link in the description so you can jump straight there. Since it's fully open source, you're welcome to dig through the code and check things like security yourself. I'd also recommend reading through the README file so you walk away with a full understanding of the project. To download it, just scroll down until you hit the releases section. Once you're there, click in and it'll take you to the download page. Keep scrolling until you spot the assets section. You'll find every available version listed under assets. Just grab the latest stable version from there. Once it's downloaded, install it just like any other app. Then open it up and start putting it to work, whether that's generating images or chatting through text. And that's everything for today's video. I genuinely hope you found this app useful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this.